Legalese is a curse on modern America. Too many try to use convoluted legal terms and to sue one another or cheat the intentions of deals or the law, or impose an excuse for a dynamic social control. The right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness has been overlooked in our Constitution, but it is written and important and should be better respected by law. While we have ever complexifying goals, we need to understand and respect natural law and liberty. This can begin at our traffic laws. Traffic law is designed to respect safe driving and flow of traffic, not to become a $10 billion a year industry, nor a source of funding for municipalities. Major speed limit studies from 1966 onward show that the safest speed is what 85% of drivers travel at. Our roadway speed limits are based on that. Even those averages are based on safety. How then can the state mandate that 30 or 50 or 35 are safe speeds? I will work to fight reliance on and use of speeding and parking tickets, and ask that our traffic safety laws be enforced with reckless driving measures, if reckless driving is being done, and if not, let them drive. I will work against random stops for breathalyzers, which violates the right to privacy, and against fingerprinting and DNA collection during traffic stops. If you have a speeding ticket, I encourage you to fight it in court under these terms, unless you were driving recklessly, and to visit motorists.org. Traffic stops for tickets waste our police time, harass our civilians, and should be a thing of the past unless a motorist is operating dangerously. Please use society responsibly.